You know, man, just I've been going through a lot lately and stuff, you know. So I think it's about that time, you know. We go separate ways, you know. You know, my eyes been raining a lot lately, you know.
Encore.
I've been to myself, thinking to myself, why did I date her? Why did I even cross paths with her? Because I knew she was playing up from the get-go. My friends been telling me since the get-go. She been going passed around like a cigarette, but I still love her though. Hey, I was a fool, I was a fool. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I should've listened when you said her day hurt, and you just saying that I'm acting a fool. Hey, I should've listened to you instead of ignoring you. Cause I've been listening to my heart instead of my head.
Purchase your tracks today.
My eyes are raining over a girl I don't care about anymore. Cause I'm moving to myself though, and she be hitting me up like hit me back, but I ain't hitting that back because I'm up to myself. Hey, and I'm smoking on these blacks, smoking my pain away, cause that's the only way that I'm gonna get over this pain I feel about it. But I ain't gonna let it stop me, yeah. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain.
Purchase your tracks today.
Hey, I can't believe that I showed you off. Hey, I even took you to my family just for you not to take me seriously. And now you wondering why acting jealousy. Hey, I took you up to my mom, and I even took you up to my dad, and you tossed me up like a black. I can't believe that you really did that. Really did that. Ay, I've been trying to get over you for the longest, but I can't get over you cause you in my head. Ay, and I can't believe that you moved on quick. Ay, ay, I still got you in my head. I'm so scarred to my heart. My heart is broken. I shouldn't have loved you from the start, but I was listening to my heart.
Purchase your tracks
But I was
today.
listening to my heart. I was listening to my heart, yeah. I've been listening to my